Assalamu alaikum. Today we discuss about the part 3 in unit 12 Muslim modern thinker Fazlur Rahman. He born in 1919 September 21 and died in 1988 July 26. He is renowned as a prominent liberal reformer of Islam. Keep in mind, he renowned as a prominent liberal reformer of Islam, and he devoted to educational reform. He devoted himself to educational reforms and revival of independent reasoning. Okay, his works widespread interest. His work got widespread interest in especially in Pakistan, Malaysia, Indonesia, and Turkey. He born in 1919 September 21 in Hazara district in the British India, and he died in 1988 July 26 at the age of 68 in Chicago in America. Okay, his education, he got MA from Punjab University and he got PhD from Oxford University. His notable works are Avicenna's philosophy, first one. Second one is Islamic methodologies in history. Third one, Islam and modernity. Fourth one, transformation of an intellectual tradition. He first teach in Britain and then in Canada, and they moved to Pakistan, and he became the head of Central Institute of Islamic Research in 1963, and in 1968 he left from Pakistan. And we have to talk a little bit about his biography. His father is Shihabuddin. He is a well-known scholar from Deoband. Okay, and his first career of Fazlur Rahman is Durham University, and his views are basis of Islam revival. Islamic revival is the return to intellectual dynamism, and he also argued that Sharia is the both mixture of ethics and law. And he also criticized the historical Muslim theology and philosophy that caused the disasters in the improvement of Muslim society. He also raised his voice for intellectual discipline like philosophy, rationalistic theory, and social science in education. He believes that the Shura system in Islam must extend in other with the collaboration of religious and secular side. So that means he talked that we have to discuss, or we have to make a Shura must to include other secularistic and religious collaboration. Okay, and he talked about the riba is the highest interest is only riba, and the lowest interest are not included in riba. And he tried to develop a method of solution of the problem of contemporary Muslim society, and his main slogan was back to Quran and Sunnah. And his views on Muslim educations are, first one, he argued the education of Muslim is the continuation of now his views the contemporary education system of Muslim society. He against that education system, and he talked that the contemporary style or system of Muslim society is the continuation of colonial education. And he also argued that if we cannot adjust the education system, the traditional institutions are declined, and he promote to include the technologies in educational systems. And his method of studies are critical historical method and the double movement method, and third one is systematic interpretation method. So these are the about Fazlur Rahman. Mainly he devoted his life in the field of intellectual to make an intellectual society, and he have different thoughts about the Islamic concept. Okay, these are the three modern Muslim thinkers in our syllabus. So we have to talk another unit in next class, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi.